Here we've got IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources in this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications. Here click on advanced and tap on special app access. Here you can see install unknown apps, just mark it. And if you'd like to install something, for example via Google Drive, you need to pick Google Drive or any other app that you would like to install another app from, and smoothly tap on allow from the source. And this is it. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Obviously you can pick whichever source you want to give this permission to, and just mark the switcher. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.